Let's get you the latest updates on the death of a father and son in police custody, allegedly due to torture by police officials in Thoothukudi in Tamil Nadu. A jail hospital report has been released after the death of Jairam and Benix in Thoothukudi. The report confirms horrifying injury marks that's now led also to a major political row. The opposition DMK has targeted the AIADMK government over this incident, accusing it of allowing policemen to take law into their own hands. The DMK has also announced that it would give 25 lakh rupees to the family of the two men. This incident has triggered massive outrage. DMK MP Kanimuri, who is the member of parliament from Thoothukudi, asked why no one's been arrested even after 4 days of the incident. Interestingly, there's been no FIR also that's been filed. Several celebrities have spoken out, the likes of Vishal and Kushbu Sundar, who's also a politician. They've tweeted in protest and said that the culprits should not get away. Remember, 2 policemen have been suspended, 3 have been transferred, but no FIR has been filed. The family is demanding that murder charge be levelled against all those involved.
அப்புறமா நான் தெரிஞ்சு அங்கங்க தெரிஞ்சு தான் போய் பார்த்தா அதுக்குள்ள போலீஸ் ஸ்டேஷனை பூட்டி போட்டு என் பிள்ளையெல்லாம் போட்டு அடிச்சு நடந்தது அடி அடின்னு அடிச்சுட்டாங்க. என் பிள்ளை அலறு அம்மா அம்மான்னு அலறு சத்தம் அந்த தெரு பிள்ளை கேட்டிருக்கு.
What has happened in Sathankulam is a brutal murder, the likes of which Tamil Nadu had never ever seen. What is required is strong action. Strong action is what the people of Tamil Nadu expect from the Tamil Nadu government. The police department is under the control of the Chief Minister, but we are seeing the Chief Minister coming and preempting the postmortem report and the investigation and declaring that the duo died of breathlessness and other medical conditions. How is this acceptable?
A father and son allegedly tortured and killed in police custody. The town of Thoothukudi, where anti-Sterlite protests years ago led to nationwide anger over police brutality, is now in the headlines again for the same reason. 2 men, Jayaraj and Phoenix, were taken into custody for opening their shop during the lockdown. Their family has alleged that the father and son faced unspeakable torture at the hands of the cops, leading to their death in custody.
அதனால கண்டிப்பா அந்த ரெட்டை கொலைங்கிறத அவங்க கண்டிப்பா ஃபைல் பண்ணி அவங்களுக்கு தக்க தண்டனை, அதாவது சும்மாலாம் இருக்கக்கூடாது, அதெல்லாம் இதை மாற்றுக்கிறதுல சிவியர் கண்டிப்பா சிவியர் தண்டனை கொடுக்கணும். செய்யுங்கிறதே நாங்கள் நம்புகிறோம், ரொம்ப நம்புகிறோம்.
The details we are putting out is not for the faint-hearted. The men were allegedly stripped, beaten up so much that their skin peeled off their backs. Their shirts were soaked in blood and they finally passed away in custody. The details of torture at the hands of the police is horrifying, a lot of which we have withheld in this report.
அடிக்கும்போது நாங்க வெளியே நின்று கண்ணாடி வழிய பாத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். நாங்க 7 மணிக்கு அடுத்த நாள் காலையில பார்க்கும்போது அவன் உட்கார்ந்துற இடம் புள்ள ரத்தம், அப்பா உட்கார்ந்துருக்க இடம் புள்ள ரத்தம், தாரத்தை மாத்தி கொடுப்போம். அந்த எஸ்ஏ தூங்கவே இல்லை, சாப்பிடவும் இல்லை. நானே 4 சாரம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அப்புறம் வண்டியில கூட்டு போகும்போது அவனுக்கு வலிக்க கூடாது, ஏன்னா பின்னால கறி இல்லல்ல.
The incident sparked widespread outrage in Tamil Nadu, leading to suspension of 2 cops. The Chief Minister has also promised a detailed probe.
திரு ஜெயராஜ் மற்றும் அவருடைய மகன் பென்னிக்ஸ் இருவரையும் காவல்துறை கைது செய்து சிறையில் அடைத்திருக்கின்றார்கள். சிறையில் அடைத்த பிறகு அவர்கள் மருத்துவமனையிலே இறந்திருக்கின்றார். அதையெல்லாம் விசாரிப்பதற்காக கோவில்பட்டி மேஜிஸ்ட்ரேட் பிரேத பரிசோதனை நடைபெற்று கொண்டிருக்கின்றது.
DMK MP Kanimuri also lashed out at the government. The Thoothukudi MP attended the last rites of Jayaraj and Phoenix.
இவ்வளவு மோசமாக ஒரு கடை திறந்து வச்சிருந்தாங்க, குறிப்பிட்ட நேரத்தை தாண்டி திறந்து வச்சிருந்த ஒரே காரணத்துக்காக இப்படி 2 பேர் உயிரிழக்கக்கூடிய அளவுக்கு மிக மோசமாக தாக்கப்பட இந்த குடும்பத்திற்கு மட்டும் இல்ல, தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்களுக்கு ஒரு நியாயம் கிடைக்க வேண்டும்.
This incident had put the spotlight once again on the Tamil Nadu police and the excesses on those in custody. The 2 men did violate the law, but they were only trying to make a living during the pandemic.
custodial death of Jairaj and Phoenix has caused widespread protest across the state of Tamil Nadu. Even on social media, we're seeing that people have been drawing comparison with the death of the duo and that of George Floyd in the US and have been demanding for justice. People have been continuously echoing the fact that murder charges be filed against those who were involved in the tragic death of these two people. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Akshay Nath is also joining us live on this broadcast with the latest updates. Akshay, what's shocking in this particular case is that there's been no FIR filed whatsoever. Several questions are being asked of the administration, but it doesn't look like they're keen on even taking that step now.
Akshita, it has been 4 days since the death of Phoenix and his father Jairaj, and we're seeing that going against the NHRC guidelines, there has not been an FIR filed, as you rightly mentioned, and that is being raked up by the opposition party now. Kanimori, the MP from Tuticorin for DMK, has gone on to Twitter and stated this, raising a question as to why the state government has not done this and why haven't they pulled up officials for not registering an FIR. And we're seeing that the family members have been continuously echoing the fact that they want murder charges to be put on those officials who were in charge of the Satakulam police station, where these two individuals had been brutally beaten up in the police custody. And now we're also having details coming out on how cruelly they had been punished for just having their shops open for during the curfew time. They had exceeded the curfew limit is the only mistake that has been pointed out at these two individuals. And these are middle class people, just like most of us, and the kind of treatment that they have faced in police custody is shocking. And that is why we're seeing that there has been widespread protests across the state demanding that justice be served for the family of Jairaj and Phoenix. Akshita.
So much outrage, and yet the administration remains completely undeterred, unaffected by all that's happening. They've refused at this point to file an FIR or ensure that there is a detailed inquiry or a fair probe. Akshay, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.